look at guys. It's very important to plant sunflower because it gives energy to the sun. The
Araw na
Tagalog
bulaklak.
of sunflower is araw ng bulaklak. Yes. We have first time natin nakita na may araw ng bulaklak dito.
Oh, Mirasol.
Hoy, you have to shut up.
Mirasol. Tagalog ng sunflower.
What?
Mirasol.
What? Yes! That is our lumon. Mirasol. Hi, Auntie Mirasol. Are you sure? Yes, Temiring, part of our English only speaking, English speaking only, speaking,
Speak
whatever,
English only?
whatever. You have to rumble the word. Basta that is the. So it is very first time that we know, we hear, we see, we talk. We have to force. We have to push. We have to push the color red in the area. Are you ready?
Ay, Captain.
2, 3. I can hear you. Charot. So let's go back, guys. No, it's very first time that we hear, we see, we talk, we finalize the event here in season. That it's very first time that we saw it live in the action, that there is a sunflower farm in season. Look at guys. It's so very beautiful. Yes, the color brown sunflower. Look at the sunflower. Oh. So it's very first time, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so very excited. Look at the event. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No, this area, that's the area. This area, come here. It is the sunflower farm.
Farm.
Yes, it's a very big sunflower.
Ito ah?
Come here. It's very first time. It's very national treasure. But there's snake? No snake. Okay. No snake. What if there is snake? Oh my gosh, look at guys.
Ayaw dakwa. Isa pupungan.
There.
Oo.
It's very pikit. It's like igloo. Oh my gosh, look at guys. It's very important to plant sunflower because it gives energy to the sun. Yes. From the word sun.
Sun.
And flower combined.
Sinagalak sunflower.
The
Araw na
Tagalog
bulaklak.
of sunflower is araw ng bulaklak. Yes. We have first time natin nakita na may araw ng bulaklak dito.
Oh, Mirasol.
Hoy, you have to shut up.
Mirasol. Tagalog ng sunflower.
What?
Mirasol.
What? Yes! That is our lumon. Mirasol. Hi, Auntie Mirasol. Are you sure? So, first time nating nalaman mga Team Iring na ang Tagalog pala ng...
Basin ko na fake news.
Ay, binago na? Araw ng mga flower kasi. Araw ng mga flower.
Yung Tagalog naman.
Joke! Joke!
Kisa kayo mo English teacher.
We have to delete that part.
No, okay naman. Mas bibo no ano.
Yes. No? I thought this is araw ng mga sunflower, but it's Mirasol. Oh my gosh, there's a quack here.
Kiki.
Paniki. Oh my gosh. That is normal because the leader is here. Are you sure the leader? Don't run. The leader, Paniki. Go back here. So as you can see mga tiniring, no, there are a lot of sunflower in the area. And it's wild sunflower, wild miracle. Are you sure? I don't know. You have to comment down below. Charot. Yan mo siya mo comment. No? We have to preserve this sunflower because
Ay, kasayang.
don't tell me you did not click the...
Sayang ba kay waya makuha ng dahon, bubo.
It's okay. They're not... Leaves. 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 Uy, it's very dukag here. Basta. How many minutes?
So,
Record!
go guys, ano.
Hello mga Team Iring. First time natin itong laman dito sa Surigao na ay na!